do a new way to do some multiplication for math. We're going to do two-digit multiplication, but first I'm going to show you single-digit multiplication. Do you know what 7 times 2 is? What is it? It is 14. Very good. In matrix math, what we're going to do is put the 7 here and the 2 here. What did you tell me the answer was? We're going to put the 1 here and the 4 here. Can you follow that? All right, if we're going to do matrix math on 6 times 8, can you build the matrix for me and put in the numbers?
And that was, yeah, he was in a hospital, and then he took his chemo that week.
Very good. What about this one? What would we do with this one?
When we went there, see, and then he was going to be off.
Any ideas?
See, and then he took it again, and I asked her then Thursday night when I talked to her, I said, well, when did this actually start? That he just took a turn like this. She said after the second chemo.
Very nice. That is exactly correct. That is what you're going to do. That is a 1 digit multiplied by a 1 digit. Okay?
Yeah,
So that is 1 digit multiplication. Let's move on to 2-digit multiplication. And I know you struggle a little with adding these together, so that's why I thought this concept would be a good idea for you. Let's try 12 times 13. Okay, I will do this one for you, but you're just going to follow along for right now. Can you do that for me? Can you do that for me? Thank you. All right. I'm going to divide this grid into 4s. Do you see that? All right. 12.
See, first he had radiation.
13. Look here. We have the 12 up here, Sean, and we have the 13 going down this way. What is 1 times 1?
Yeah, because he hadn't started it.
0, 1. What's 2 times 1?
That's right.
0, 2. What's 1 times 3? 0, 3. What's 2 times 3? 0, 6. Then what we're going to do, can you see that there's a diagonal running this way, and a diagonal running this way, and this way? Adding up all the numbers in this diagonal would be just a 6. Adding up the diagonals in this number, it's got to be the ones in the grid. So it's 2, 0, and 3, which will give you 5. What is the addition there? Say that again. 0, 1, and 0. That's okay. 1 and this one here. Only the numbers in the grid. 0. So our answer to 12 times 13 is 0, 1, 5, 6, or just 156. You see that? Could you do that on the calculator for me? Let's check our work. Let's make sure that this process will work. Type in 12 times 13.
I can't remember it all, but I'm at school now.
Do we get the right answer? All right. Do you need me to do one more for you, or do you think you can do this on your own? You could do it on your own? Do you think this is going to help you with the addition? All right. You don't have to remember exactly where to line up the numbers in the traditional way of doing it, but I thought maybe this would help you learn your math facts as far as 2-digit multiplication. Let's try 23 times 45. Can you build the grid yourself, or would you like me to do that? All right, very good. You've been a very good listener today.
Next time, Dan answer. But then he was really good. My, that's why I couldn't believe what a curve.
Very good.
Yeah, because I know he looked very good. Cheerful and.
Okay, can I stop you just a second? You're going to take this number times this number. Now which one are you gonna go to next?
5.
No, if you're gonna do the 2 and the 5, then it's this spot. It's wherever they meet, okay? Okay, how did you choose 06? Okay, it's this number and this number meet in that square.
Yeah.
So then it has to be 3 times 4.
Very good, very good.
So now it'd be 5 times 4.
No, this number is in this square and that number. Okay, now we have to do our diagonals.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Very good.
Yeah. Mhm. Mhm.
So there's 25.
I think you gotta carry the 1 when you have a carry, so it'll be
No,
1.
108.
Yeah, see,
I'm gonna add it on a calculator, I think we need to carry the 1.
and then some neighbors too, and Wilma Dobler, I don't know if you know her. Her daughter, Becky is married to Justin Wilson.
Oh, no, you don't have to carry the 1.
And then one son-
Wow, very good. All right, 1035. You did it right. Let's try one more, just because I want to make sure you know that the numbers, which numbers go into each matrix. Do you want to make up 2 two-digit numbers for me? I'll do it over here. All right, very nice.
But then when something like this comes up, you do need family, I'm sorry. And you can't tell me that Butch doesn't miss that. Oh, I know.
All right, tell me which numbers you're multiplying together.
1 and 1.
Very good. Since it's not real clear which, since you got some of the same numbers. Now which numbers?
1 times 1 right here.
It's always the ones in your matrix.
So 1 times 0.
Okay, very good.
My dad's family either, but my dad got to visit with him
Now it's
on
1
a
times 0
regular
here.
basis. We did.
Where's it gonna go?
Right here.
Yes.
And I don't know if that's because.
Okay.
my dad's
And
mom
here is it.
being
1
our
times 0
youngest-
again.
Yes, it is 1 times 0 again.
His name's
Very
Joe,
good.
named after
All
him.
right.
So he always came every year with the birthday present for that kid. Yep, every year.
Very good. Let's check it on a calculator, and I think you have the process down.
But see, my dad, he got along well.
What is that number?
110.
What is it?
110.
110. 110. Very good. Thank you. I hope you learned a new way. Do you think that will help you?
Yep.
Yep.
All right. Very good.